Okay, so do we have time for embarrassment? The thing is, I downloaded one survey, actual survey data. It's in CSV format. So yesterday, as I was preparing for the class, it took me like half an hour to figure out how to import it properly. And to be frank, I don't remember if I can repeat it, but I managed to do it in the end. So there is another file called COVID survey data, and format is SAV. It's easy to do, it's a format for SPSS. Okay, let's try embarrass myself for 10 minutes. If I am not able to repeat myself, we'll just use results from yesterday evening. So I'm trying to import this survey. It's original data from Pew Research survey. I think I did something about advanced options. Okay. Okay. No, let's try this. Oh, I did it. Wow. I'm not that stupid. So continue. Oops. Continue. So click yes. And we name it. Oops. So survey data view. And save. And done. Oops. Yeah. I click analyze. I click correlate by variant. So what I will do Pearson two-tail correlation. So I will try to see if these variables are correlated. COVID term, it's a variable which says like respondents answered if they support Trump COVID response. Oops. And I will see if it's correlated with ideology variable. Let me find it. Here it is. Oops. Yeah. You will see this significance indicates that there is a correlation because when it's significant, it should be smaller than 0.05. If it's larger than 0.05, it means it's not significant. And now you would think, okay, what does it mean? So to answer this question, you go to here and you look at the code book. When you have data which was collected by somebody else, you always look for code book to see what variables are in this data set and what values those variables have. So you see a COVID term variable this is the question. How would you rate job Trump has done on COVID? And you will look at ideology somewhere. Yeah, ideology. And you also have to look at the values that variables take. So COVID, which 1 means excellent, 2 good, 3 fair, 4 poor. And 99 means people refuse to answer this question. And you look at ideology. So 1 very conservative and 5 very liberal. And you remember that in supporting Trump stuff, 1 in that variable means that people like support stuff, and 4 like they hate him. So and this is what this correlation means, that people who are conservative, they're more likely to say that they support Trump, and people who are liberal, they're more likely to say that Trump has done a bad job. So this is how you do correlations, and this is how you interpret them. Let me stop sharing. And and I forgot to show how to do correlation in R. So this is the code. I have posted it in content section. So what you do, you run this code to import your data. Oops. Yep. And then you run this code to do correlation. And what's important, line 48, it allows you to get rid of scientific notation. So you run this code, and this is like output. Again, p-value is smaller than 0.05, and so it's significant. Another indicator is t-value. T-value is if it's more than 2 or less than -2. It's also important, and here we have 15. So these are 2 indicators that there is statistically significant correlations between ideology and the way Trump does his job responding to COVID.